on to Decor with Z, where we celebrate the joy of crochet and the sweetness of baby girls today. Oh, we're excited to share with you our favorite crochet frock design ideas for baby girls. Oh, oh, oh. There's something special about a handmade crochet frock for a baby girl. It's a labor of love that wraps her in warm comfort. Oh, style. Oh, 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 oh. From soft pastels to vibrant colors, we'll show you how to create beautiful crochet frocks that are perfect for any occasion. With these crochet frocks design ideas, you'll be creating beautiful, one-of-a-kind outfits for your baby girl in a time. Happy crocheting! And don't forget to share your creation with us. Oh,